My name is Karuna Setia. I am learning and making this video. During my industrial training, Pure CSS, July 2020, we discuss about big data. What is data? The quantities, characters, symbols on which operations are performed by a computer, which may be stored and transmitted in the form of electrical signals and recorded on magnetic, optical, or mechanical recording media. What is big data? Big data is also data but with a huge size. Big data is a term used to describe a collection of data that is huge in volume and yet growing exponentially with time. In short, such data is so large and complex that none of traditional data management tools are able to store it or process it efficiently. Examples of big data. Following are examples of big data. The New York Stock Exchange generates of new trade data per day. Social media. The statistics show that 500 plus terabyte of new data get ingested into the databases on social media site Facebook every day. This data is mainly generated photo and video uploads, message exchanges, putting comments, etc. Types of big data. First, structured, second, unstructured, and last one is semi structured. Structured. Any data that can be stored, accessed, and processed in the form of fixed format is termed as a structured data. Computer science has achieved greater success in developing techniques for working with such kind of data. When a size of such data grow a huge extent, typical size and being in the range of multiple zettabytes. Unstructured. Any data with unknown form or the structure is classified as unstructured data. A typical example of unstructured data is heterogeneous data source containing a combination of simple text files, images, videos, etc. Semi-structured data can contain both the form of data. We can see semi-structured data as a structured in form, but it is actually not defined. Example: a table definition in relational DBMS, data represented in XML file. Characteristics of big data. Volume. The name big data itself is related to a size which is enormous. Size of data play a very crucial role in determining value out of data. Hence, volume is one characteristics which need to be considered while dealing with big data. Variety. The next aspect of big data is its variety. Variety refers to heterogeneous sources and the nature of data, both structured and unstructured. Nowadays, data in the form of emails, photos, videos, monitoring device, PDFs, audio, etc., are also being considered in the analysis application. Velocity. The term velocity refers to the speed of generation of data, which data flow in from sources like business processes, applications, logs, networks, social media sites, sensor, mobile devices, etc. Variability. This refers to inconsistency which can be shown by the data and times, thus hampering the process of being able to handle and manage the data effectively. Benefit of big data. First, business can utilize outside intelligence while taking decisions. Second, improve customer service. Third, early identification of risk to the product services. And last one is better operational efficiency.